How to certify the day's logs in TruckX Driver's Logbook app on wired ELD. Find and tap on the TruckX Driver's Logbook app on the homepage of the wired ELD tablet. On the app's homepage, you will find the current day's logs with an exclamation mark beside the sign. Tap on it. Click on the sign option to certify your data entries and record of duty status as accurate and true. You will see a message confirming your agreement. Click on Click here to sign. A pop-up will appear. If you have previously signed your logs, your signature will be displayed. Otherwise, use your finger to sign now and click on Save. Your signature will now appear on the page and the logs will be certified. The logs visible on the home page will no longer have the exclamation mark and will be marked as signed in green.